The Skribble Scratch is just a really fast baby. Hands at around 9 o'clock. I'm using these 2 fingers. Move the record really, really short, so the mark is going to barely move back and forth, like a really short distance, and really fast. So this is also a workout scratch. Like, you're really going to put some effort in. I feel tension in my bicep right here. It gets tight right here in my forearm. I'm tensing up on purpose. Now there's another version of the Skribble too, the vibrating Skribble. Just tense up your whole arm and send all the energy down to your either 2 fingers or 1 finger. You kind of wiggle it back and forth. And it gives sort of a vibrating effect. I pitch up my hand and it pitches at the wrist. So you try it. See how long you can do it without your arm falling off.